This is a separate playlist in Healthify with Dr. Niyati. So first of all, I welcome all of you to my channel Healthify with Dr. Niyati. Let's have a good parenting health. So it's a separate playlist under the title of positive parenting. Remember that there is never anything called as ideal parenting. It's just good parenting. Parents are usually good. They have the best interests of their children always at heart, but many a times they lose bonding, or they lose that contact or that dialogue that should exist between a child and a parent. Many a times parents are so busy in their own careers that they don't get quality time to spend with their children. So what is this quality time, quantity time? What is the role of grandparents? All these issues are very important as far as parenting is concerned. So I've come with these 10 direct videos for you as a direct guideline to many parents for two reasons. Nowadays, parents are more elderly in age than when I was younger. So parents are usually either 30 or 30 plus, and so their whole attitude of looking at a child is more that the child should be a perfect child, and somewhere I should give everything to the child and things like that. So that needs to be looked into. The second point is the role of the grandparents as far as the children are concerned. And then all this, along with that, social media that is playing a very important role in the life of a child. Like when my child was growing up, or when my age women were looking after their children, social media was not a part of a child's life. And so parenting was very simple. Nowadays, parenting has become difficult, and so parents do need these guidelines on how to guide their children towards a better life. So I've come with 10 episodes on different issues, on discipline, on dialogue, bonding, economic intelligence, emotional intelligence, and how to build up all these things. So do see all the videos in all the 10 parts and tell me whether you like them, how you like them, and whether you used all the techniques that I taught you in those episodes. So in this episode, just beginning, I've made an episode on the importance of toys and books. So I would like to tell all parents that try to switch off all your tabs, computers by 9 p.m. and take a book and read the book to the child. Read it in a tone that is not monotonous and as though the book is being read, but read it as though it is being enacted. If there is a king and a queen, then you are the king, the child is the queen, or you are the queen, the child is the king, and things like that. And you can use it to play also with the child. And if you tell them stories in this way, you can use it to increase their vocabulary also. Tell them similar sounding words, similar meaning words while the story is going on. So make poetries out of the story. So it increases the imagination of a child. And a child that has a very good imagination becomes more successful, not just successful in their whatever they are following or pursuing, but their whole understanding, their perspective changes, and they start understanding things in a better way. Today, because of social media, a lot of institutions are doing research on what reading, sports, hobbies, music, how important it is in the life of a child. And I'll tell you that it is 100% more important than sending your child to tuitions for the school. Just imagine, as a parent, if you had to cook all day, morning, evening, 24/7, all day, all throughout the year, how boring it would be. That is what is happening in a child's life. A child gets up, goes to school, coming from school, just gobbles down some food, goes for the tuition, comes back, does the homework of the tuition, does the homework of the school, and goes to sleep. This a child is doing since almost, I've seen all children from KG level, they are doing this. The school is very, very capable of handling all your children's studies. They don't need to go for extra classes. Encourage self-study. Read their books. Tell them the lessons in the form of stories. So parents, you must have realized that a lot of effort has to be put by the parents. If the parents are working, grandparents, I urge you, you become parents. You become parents, and parents, remember this, that if then a grandparent is scolding a child, don't take the child's side. Or if the mother is scolding the child, then the grandparent should not take the child's side. So how do you go about all this? Take a family meeting when the child is not in the house, and all of you decide that one is going to be the disciplinarian and the others are going to take that person's side as far as the discipline is concerned. So the child knows where it stands in front of the parents and the grandparents. So there has to be a little change in the roles, because parents are working all day, so they have a little soft corner and more of emotion towards the child. But if the grandparents are going to be at home and looking after the child, then it's your role now to be as parents. So see all the episodes, tell me whether you like them, tell me if you want any more other subjects also. Leave your comments in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe for Healthy 5 with Dr. Niyati. Healthy 5 with Dr. Niyati are also WhatsApp groups. I'm leaving my number in the comment box. If you are interested in getting daily posts about your health too, then also you can send me a request to join you into the group. So I will add you into the group. Don't forget to tell me how you like this episode.